everyone. Tonight I'll be making Copycat Pizza Hut Cavatini Supreme. What all goes into the Copycat Pizza Hut Cavatini Supreme? 1/2 pound sliced pepperoni thin. Unfortunately, I don't have that much pepperoni. I'll have to be just a little bit less on that. 1/4 pound spiral pasta noodles, cooked according to package. 1 onion sliced thin. 1/4 pound wheel noodles. Nowhere in town had these. I ordered these from Amazon, and you cook these according to package directions. 8 ounce shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/2 pound of ground beef already cooked. 8 ounce shredded Parmesan cheese. I've got 6 ounce. I'll make it work. There's a couple of things that is different from the recipe that they gave me and for what I remember when I worked at Pizza Hut. 1/2 pound of pork sausage. They called for Italian sausage. Pizza Hut used pork sausage. 32 ounce of spaghetti sauce. Now the other difference is the recipe calls for 1/4 pound of shell pasta. We didn't have shell pasta in our cavatini. I can't remember for sure, but it seems to me it was the rigatoni. But I definitely know it wasn't the shell. And maybe some Pizza Huts had the shell. So 1/4 pound of the rigatoni cooked as per package directions. 1 green pepper sliced thin. And also sliced mushrooms is what my Pizza Hut used. In this recipe it doesn't call for it. So I have some sliced mushrooms. I'm not quite sure how much I'll put in, but I'll let you know. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 350. So take a pan, dump in your 32 ounces of spaghetti sauce and your cooked pork sausage and your cooked ground beef, and cook that until heated through. So my iPhone is running low on space, so I have to figure out what I need to delete so I can get this video finished. So the sauce is heated up. We'll continue on. So I have a 3-quart casserole dish. They're asking for 11 by 13 pan. I don't have 11 by 13 pan. Then you want to layer your sauce. We're going to do about 3 layers. So you want about 1/3 of the sauce. Then you want to take about 1/3 of your noodles and put them in. And then top with pepperoni, and it's going to be very sparse with the pepperoni. I do apologize, all I have is my GoPro right now. About 1/3 of the onions. 1/3 of the green peppers. I did cut up about 4 ounces of the mushrooms, so we'll do about 1/3 of those as well. Mozzarella cheese. And 1/3 of my shredded Parmesan cheese. Repeat the layers. So I did kind of smash it down so it fit in the pan a little bit better. We'll put it in a preheated 350 degree oven for 45 minutes or until all cheese is melted. So here is the Copycat Pizza Hut Cavatini Supreme, and rounding out the meal are garlic knots. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This smells garlicky.
There's no garlic in it, unless it's in the sauce. That's a garlic knot.
Oh, that smells garlicky.
Sorry.
Did she mention to y'all I don't really like pasta that much?
Back Back in 1980, when I worked at Pizza Hut,
Mm-hmm.
we made Cavatini Supremes, and this is a copycat of that.
I've never heard of it before.
They don't make them anymore.
I never heard of it back then. I was alive then, you know.
Barely.
That's actually pretty good. I got a crunchy something in there.
Probably green pepper.
I actually like this. I wasn't kind of surprised. I could even eat this again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.